Hello guys, good to have you back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you how you can reset the oil change or a service indicator of a Peugeot 206. It's a 2004 model. And we did an oil change and I'm going to show you how you can do it for yourself or for your friends to help each other. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel. It's Service Reset My Car. I'd appreciate it if you subscribe to our channel. Give us more support by liking our videos. Give us a thumbs up if you like our videos. Don't you like our videos? Let me know why in the comment area below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, let's start with this one. When we turn the ignition on, there is an indicator over here that keeps flashing. And I'm gonna reset that to the original one for changing the oil or a service after changing the oil or doing a service for the car. Okay, first step is turn the ignition off. Second one is there are two buttons over here. Press the right one. Yes, this button over here. Press that. Keep pressing that, and as you can see there is a timer over here that goes back from 10 to 0, and when it reaches 0 you can let go this button. Yes, and then turn the ignition off, turn back on the ignition, and as you can see it doesn't flash anymore. It stays at the new service indicator of 30,000. And that's how you do the service indicator reset for a Peugeot 206 from 2004. I hope you enjoyed it. Did you enjoy it? Give us a thumbs up. Hope to see you next time with another video on another day. Stay safe. Bye bye.